80 animals.
Koala.
Hi again. How are you today? I'm very good. Are you enjoying this class? That's nice to hear. I am too. Today we will learn about koalas. This is a koala. It looks very cute. Let's begin this class by learning some words.
Main. The main thing is the most important one. In the picture, the couple is at the table with some food. Steak is the main food. The man will cut the steak soon. Month. Look at the picture. There are 12 months in a year. The first month is January. The second month is February. The last month is December. In what month is your birthday? Back. An arrow points to the circle around the woman. That is her back. The chest and stomach are on the other side of the back.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Main. Back. Month.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
What animal is in the tree? It is a koala. It has a round face. Its nose is big and black. Its tail is very short. Many people think it's very cute. A koala sleeps in a tree during the day. It moves at night. Its main food is eucalyptus leaves. The home of eucalyptus is Australia. So a wild koala is only seen in Australia. A female koala has a pouch. It raises its baby in the pouch for some months. Then the mother koala carries the little koala on her back. What part of the koala is big? Nose. Tail. When does the koala sleep? Daytime. Nighttime. What is true about koalas? The female raises its baby in its pouch. A wild koala is only seen in Africa.
Did you like the class? Great! I did too. That's all for now. Goodbye.